will be winning $20,000 for staying in this the longest.
Oh my gosh! No!
I'm not going! Shalom guys, I hope your day has been good, but better watch this video. Today we are doing last to leave the slime pen. And now let's get to making some slime because the last person who leaves it gets $20,000. Let's go make some slime.
Let's make slime. Here we go.
These are the ingredients that we're going to be using in today's video to make the slime. And it's a Rockelle.
Edible?
Edible, so we can eat the slime.
I tried it. It doesn't really taste like anything except for watered down vanilla. It's so good.
Okay. We got cornstarch, we got jello, we got applesauce, and
Milk.
milk.
I don't know why applesauce has to be here. Like, what does this put in there?
I don't know. Let's make a bunch of slime.
We have the first little batch of slime.
It's going in.
Oh,
There.
So we're finished making slime, and for you guys it was like seconds, but for us it was like hours.
Oh my gosh, slime!
But now we're actually gonna get it and compete to the death. Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
All right, everyone in the slime, let's go!
oh, so cold.
It's
and
slippery.
All right, in all the way.
Is it cold?
Push Jets in it, get Jets in it, get him in! Oh God! All right, guys, while they're getting in, everyone hit the thumbs up button. Let's go!
Thumbs up, guys. Please like and subscribe. I guess it's my turn to get in.
Lev, why are you throwing up?
Are you okay? Are you okay?
No.
Just get him in.
Not okay.
My turn.
Okay, wait. I'm getting a phone call. All right, Piper, now you're going in. Don't leave the slime pool. Got it?
Get it.
Okay, get in the pool.
Editor, high five.
Oh no, I'm good. Pull her in, guys. Get her in.
I'll get it myself. I guess this is how we're gonna be stuck for a while. Who do you think's gonna get
I
out first?
really feel like I'm gonna throw up.
I honestly feel like Lev's gonna get out first because he's been complaining this entire time.
You've been in it for like 1 minute.
I'm gonna throw up. I actually feel like I'm gonna throw up.
Okay, look, this is gross. Ew, Piper. Ew.
The gooey monster.
You guys are like Shrek.
Thank you.
My objective is to try to eliminate you. Your objective is to try to stay in here as long as possible. Remember, if you win how much money?
$20,000.
Oh my God.
That's a lot of money.
You know what I feel about this challenge?
You know what
Perfect,
I feel
Jensen.
about this
You can go first. All right, Jensen, you're gonna take this cup and pour it down the shirt of one random contestant. Here we go.
I'm thinking Eliana.
Ellie. Oh, wait, it's going down. Oh my God. All right, Eliana, your turn to take the cup down the shirt of a random contestant. All right, who's next here? Oh! What the heck? It has to go down your shirt. Oh!
Oh my God, that's disgusting.
Okay,
oh my God, Ellie. Oh,
All right, Lev's turn. Oh, you're going for Ellie's getting double. Oh no, Ellie.
You're going in the front.
Oh God, no! Oh, Ellie!
Oh yeah, Eliana.
Oh, God.
Oh shoot, I wasn't finished. My bad.
Oh! All right, Emily.
Come on. Okay, I'm sorry. It actually kind of feels good.
Oh my God. All right, Piper, your turn. Oh gosh.
Oh God.
All right, guys.
See how it is.
Hold up. So, since your shirts are ruined, if anyone wants new shirts, you can go to shoppiperrockelle.com.
Come and go get some now.
Yeah, go get them right now.
What?
Piper, why? Piper, why? What was that?
I'm sorry.
Lev's probably just imagining he's in a pool of vomit.
Okay, I feel like I'm actually
All right, so here, look, to make this more interesting, we're gonna grab the spinning wheel and we're gonna spin the wheel to give you a consequence or a reward. Here we go.
Eliana.
Number 3.
Lucky number 3.
Do you want to keep it or do you want to pass it to someone else?
Oh my God, no. Please don't do it.
3, 2.
Keep it.
Okay. You have to zip tie your hands together for the remainder of the challenge. So basically, you're like hand.
Dude, I can't do anything!
All right, Jensen, zip ties hands together.
Hey, love. What are you doing? No, Jensen, don't do this. Please, no. Please, no.
Oh no! Oh God! Oh no!
We're together
Wait, Jensen,
forever.
zip tie. No, you guys are like handcuffed to each other.
Together.
Make it tight. Make it tight.
Hours.
Make it tight. Oh no, Lev.
And Jensen, why? You didn't have to do this. I know, but I.
You guys, let me make sure you guys.
Eliana, spin the wheel.
I'm like really terrified. I wonder what like
Number 5. All right, Eliana, you get to pick one contestant to dunk under the slime.
Yeah, I know who I'm picking.
Oh my
Jensen! Look, you did pick her first last time. It's only fair. He's going under now, Jensen! Oh my God, Jensen! Oh no! He's real life Shrek.
Here's the napkin. Jensen, take the napkin.
Piper, his hand is filled with the freaking.
Mine is too. I'm sorry, Jensen.
I can't see.
Jesus! All right, Piper, spin the wheel. Here we go.
Okay. Whoa.
Number 1. Okay, so Piper, you get something to float on. For example, the wakeboard. Yeah! Here you go, Piper.
Thank you so much.
You get a flotation device.
All right. Okay. Let's try to stand on this boogie board. Okay. What?
That was a great item.
Taller now, though.
Nice.
All right, Emily, spin the wheel.
Oh my God. Okay. Yeah.
Emily, you get food. You like Takis? Yes! Yay! We're gonna bring you a bag of Takis. Let's go! All right, Jensen, your turn to spin the wheel. You're the final one to spin the wheel.
I bet Jensen's jealous because he loves Takis.
Can someone spin it for me? I got you.
Oh, why? Because you're handcuffed? All right, Jensen, you have 4.
What does that mean?
Look at Emily.
Jensen, you have to give a random contestant a foot massage. So, who wants foot massage? Anyone? Any takers?
No, I would love a foot massage from Lev, but
I'll take one.
All right, looks like Piper it is then.
no.
You were the
I
first
said
one
for
to
Lev.
speak.
I bet I said for
You
Lev.
gotta
actually
give.
spoke too.
Lev's hand is there too. Lev can use one hand.
All right. Okay. Here's my foot. It's my
Oh
good
my
foot.
God. What's wrong with your other foot?
There's something wrong.
She got bunions. Oh, gross. That is so disgusting. Ew.
Anything. This is just Jensen right here.
Ew.
Please.
I actually can't.
Ah, hey, we're not done. We're not done yet. We're not done. We're not done yet. Hey, he's the foot massager.
Jensen looks.
Let's go.
I'm done.
Oh, no, wait. You can't be finished yet. You have 10 more seconds. You can hang on for 10
I don't
seconds.
care what you do.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3,
Please don't go over here.
1. Time. All right. Now we're gonna do some extreme challenges,
I feel
and
so terrible.
let's get you guys eliminated.
This already is an extreme challenge.
So now we're gonna do the art challenge.
Whoa! She is going to judge your guys' slime art, and whoever has the worst art, you get to kick out of the pool.
then you-
$20,000 on the line here. And you guys have 1 minute to make the best art that you can.
Oh my God.
All I hear is Lev holding back throw up this entire challenge.
Mine's ribbon.
Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, Piper, explain your art.
Okay, so as you can see right here, this is a snowy forest. We have some,
You actually did something?
yeah. And listen, like this is like the day that you're going to pick your tree. So we have the sun over here.
All right, great. All right, Eliana, you're next.
Okay, whatever. I can appreciate that.
I did a traditional like painting. I have my son in the corner. My house that also looks like an A that stands for amazing. I have a beautiful flower. I have grass at the bottom of the page, and this is a portal unlocking the other world.
Great. All right, Emily.
Mine's my signature with
Oh wow, I can actually see it.
Oh, okay, so you did an autograph in slime. All right,
and the sun.
interesting. All right, Jensen, what do you got?
I did abstract art. Okay. I like it.
The whole
Looks
page
good.
is covered.
Kind of looks like a big alien escaping from Earth.
Yeah, it's
Wow, slime's really getting your guys' head. All right,
it's the
Lev,
Green Goblin.
Right.
what do you got?
So I did a handprint right here, and then I put some lines here. I did some pink splatters.
And I went for abstracts too.
All right, who do you think was the worst?
Jensen was just slime. That's it.
Exactly.
Oh, Jensen's kicked out of the challenge. Goodbye, Jensen!
Wait, but he's
still handcuffed. So yeah, he's gonna have to sit outside of the pool covered in slime until Lev is eliminated.
No.
You handcuffed yourself too, Lev.
I was being nice.
He was supposed to handcuff himself together. All right, Jensen.
Jensen is eliminated!
Bye, Jensen!
So that means we're just closer to winning 20. Wait, but what about...
Please get out from me, Lev.
Come on.
I can't. I'm gonna have 20 grand or like a problem with my throat or stomach.
All right.
Oh my god.
Alright, let's have a dance party.
Ready and dance party! We are going to play slime basketball! Yeah! We got a basketball hoop over there. I got a basketball, and the last one of you four to make the basketball in the hoop is eliminated. All right.
I can't wait for this!
Emily, you're up first. Let's go. Piper's safe. Lev, you only have one hand. Oh no. Left-handed Lev. Here we go. Really hot.
The boogie board.
Oh, so close. Lev.
It looks like Piper's crying.
No. Oh, Eliana's safe. If Lev makes this, you're eliminated.
No.
Okay.
All right, Lev, you're up. Oh. Oh! If you miss this, you're eliminated from the challenge. Come on, Lev.
Don't make it.
Lev,
I thought that one would make.
you're eliminated!
Oh.
This has now become
At
a
least they're
girls'
both out.
challenge.
Or do we have to shower together now? Is that what you want?
Yeah, you guys
Is that what you actually
stuck
want?
together forever.
That's what we actually want.
Can someone get scissors?
Nope, you're stuck.
We don't have scissors.
You guys are stuck together.
I'm trying to slip out.
Yes! I'm free.
All right.
One hug.
Whoa. I will throw you in the pool. Time for your next challenge, all right? Now you are going to go head first under the slime, swimming.
The boys probably peed in this.
Yeah, well, you.
That's so gross.
I mean, you've only been in there for like an hour,
Guys,
but.
I have to make a confession. No, I didn't pee.
Oh my god.
You should have got us pit vipers.
Okay, Piper's diving in. Oh my god, she's swimming. All right, who's next? Oh my god, Piper, you look crazy.
Don't get out! Don't get out!
Don't fall out of the slime
I
pool.
can't see anything.
Eliana, you're next. Belly down.
I can't fit!
Face under the water. All right, Eliana, you didn't want to go swimming, so. Oh my god, no! Ellie! All right, that's close enough to swimming, I guess. Wait, are you getting out? No, Ellie! Eliana! Oh my god. She looks like. She's a giant walking booger.
I have to get this out of my hair before my hair turns green.
Definitely wash that out. Wait, are you wearing a Gucci necklace right now?
Yeah.
You're both wearing really expensive necklaces.
You are too?
What if you lost your Gucci necklace? All right, Emily, face down. Ew, she's blowing bubbles. Ew. Oh God, don't barf. Oh no.
Yeah, she didn't do the challenge. She has to have a consequence. So as a consequence. What is it?
Oh God, no. Oh. Ah. Ew. All right, for this final challenge, Piper versus Emily. You are going to do slime wrestling until one of you is pushed out of the slime pool. 3, 2, 1. No, Emily, don't let her push you out.
Emily!
Trip her, Emily, push her. Oh my God, it's getting extreme. Oh my God. Emily, push her, push her. Push. Grab her legs. No, Emily!
Get out!
No, Emily! Emily, no! Grab by the legs, Emily, no! her congratulations.
All right, come on.
You're still, since you were 8 years old, the slime queen.
That's right, guys. I love you. I hope you enjoy watching this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, turn on those post notifications, and Ollie, why would you push me?
All right, guys, we love you. We'll see you all next week.